Hey, what's good, YouTube?
It's your boy.
Twin Bros Reacts, and we back again with another video, man.
We are.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like,
comment,
subscribe,
turn on your post notifications,
and join the bro gang, man. Y'all already know what's going on. We are back again with a lit reaction for you guys today, man. If you're not living on a rock, season 2 of One Punch Man is out, man. And the action is so crazy. I love this show, bro, because it's non-stop action, man. We got a matchup.
Non-stop fights.
We got a matchup that I was wanting to see for a while, bro. Sonic Speedo Sonic Speedo Sound versus Genos, man. Y'all know Genos just got his upgrade and shit, so he's probably feeling like, you know what I'm saying? He's probably
like, I ain't got that big unstoppable.
I got that big unstoppable. And do like they don't know nothing about that. Y'all don't know nothing about that, but we gonna get straight into this video, man. Sonic is so obsessed. Remember when he punched him in his little shit? Bang. You know, so rude. 先生のライバルを語るなどおこがましい恥知らず。それ以上踏み出せば排除する。排除されるのはお前だ、金魚の糞野郎。こんなもの100発食らおうが損傷は受けない。一発も当てれんくせに強がるな。デクが。埼玉、よく見ておけ。弟子をスクラップにしたら次はお前だ。なんてさっきなの。それに立ってるだけで伝わってくる戦闘技術の高さ。この男やばいわ。こいつは厄介なストーカーです。二度と現れないよう俺がこの場で消してやります。お前みたいな呪場に俺が消せるか。This shit is really intense, bro. I seen this fight in the manga. Look how fast. Yo. Yo, Genos is fast as shit now. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, when they showing like his little punches and shit, it reminds me of like Jotaro from you know what I'm saying, JoJo's Bizarre. Udo, like the sound that it's making, it sounds like a stand, like when he's punching.
Yeah, he does. Cause you swear you the fastest thing since life. That's disrespectful.
He took out his fucking man bun. Oh god, yeah, this is real speed right here. So that means that Sonic is faster than him. We knew that though. What the hell?
Oh,
saved them?
He said you're too. Did he say? Was he about to say you're too fast?
Huh? Nah, I think cause Genos was like basically about to use this move because he couldn't see him, so he was just gonna try to blow up the entire area around him.
No, I know, but Saitama said something.
Yeah, he was basically saying like he's too hasty type shit. Like he needed to settle down basically.
Okay.
Cause he didn't want him to.
I thought he was saying about Sonic.
Nah, Sonic is not. Sonic, that's another fight. Like they fought.
No, I remember them fight.
Yeah, that Sonic's definitely not even close to his speed.
But that fight though, it was pretty good to watch because it was like it shows you just how much Genos has improved. Like just getting a little bit of parts, he's that much faster already. Like you know what I'm saying. So
even Sadamas.
Sadama was like, Nani? He looks faster than last time. Yeah, he did say that. So
he might be slowly kinda.
Nah, he not. It's slow for him. But I don't know. That shit was lit though. It was neat to see Sonic fight though, cause Sonic, he's like he's like pretty much his own. Like he doesn't really categorize with anybody. He's not a hero. He's not a monster. But as Tornado's sister said, Blizzard, he has like S rank abilities. So if he was a hero, he'd be like an S class hero. So it's dope to see like that there are people that's not even really affiliated with anything that are still that strong in the show. I kind of like that about the show.
That is tough.
So
and he always manages to get away.
Yeah, he too quick,
in
man.
a timely manner.
He got beat up outside of my after that though. But yeah, y'all, let us know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this fight, man. I'm not gonna lie, Genos did way better than I expected him to be honest, because Sonic is like stupid fast. You know what I'm saying? He's like a ninja and shit. And I wish, obviously they couldn't show it, but I wish like they showed the outcome of like a clear winner, because he did cut, but Sadama put his head to the ground, so he didn't land his hit. But he would have, I think, if Sadama didn't intervene. But then again, Genos was ready to incinerate the whole area around. So I feel like it might have ended up being like a draw if they let it play out. Yeah, like he probably would have got the slash, but then the incineration blast, he'd have been so close.
That's why I said like a double KO.
Yeah, pretty much, basically. But you guys let us know in the comment section down below what you guys thought about this fight, man. If you liked our reaction, don't forget to leave a like,
comment,
subscribe,
and don't forget to turn on your post notifications.
And join the bro game, man. Y'all already know what's going on, man. We love you guys. We appreciate y'all. We're going to catch y'all in the next video.
It's your boys.
Twin Bros Reacts.
We out of here. Peace.